Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Tetris 99 offline easy guide. Power on your Nintendo Switch and launch Tetris 99, then choose single player or practice mode right away. Focus on stacking clean lines, using T-spins for big clears, and learning target options like KO, attackers, and badges. Practice combos in marathon or sprint to build speed and accuracy before attempting local or simulated matches. Start by mastering line clears and garbage mechanics in a calm session, focusing on 1 to 4 line clears and how they send garbage to others. Practice T-spins slowly until they become natural, then integrate them into combos to maximize damage. Watch badge gains in local matches or score attack to see how knockouts increase your attack potential and steadily increase speed while keeping clean stacking habits. Begin each practice with a warm-up of SRS movement and soft drops to get comfortable with control. Build a predictable well for Tetrises while carving pockets for T-spins, and practice transitioning between planned clears and emergency placements. Use sprint and marathon modes to build endurance, then add pressure by timing yourself or using a metronome to simulate opponent pace and improve decision speed under stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.